Hey everybody, it's Jeff from Yawk, and I'm here in fabulous Las Vegas on the southern end, the very southern end of the Las Vegas Strip at the Mandalay Bay Hotel and Casino. I'm going to take a tour of this place, starting out at the southern end of the hotel. Last time I was here, I started out at the northern end, so just shaking things up a little bit. Going to check out not only the Mandalay Bay, but the Four Seasons and the Delano. So come along with me. I love this hotel. Horrible location, but I still like it anyway. So again, we're starting this extensive walking tour at the southern end of the property here at Mandalay Bay by the Shark Reef Aquarium. There's one or two videos on this aquarium here on the New York channel, and it's also by the food court here. During this video, I'll take you through the entire property, and I'll also show you briefly the inside of a room here at Mandalay Bay, as well as their pool area. Like most of the larger hotels and casinos here along this strip, the Mandalay Bay has a huge convention center. Of course, getting married in Las Vegas is extremely simple. Some might say it's a little too simple. Everything is here that you need, including the photography studio. Barbecue Mexicana is a fast casual eatery, and every time I pass it, it seems to be closed. It's actually closed on weekends and has very short hours, 11 to 4, Monday through Friday. Go figure. Border Grill, right across the way, however, and the same owners, has much better hours, and it's got 2 floors of alfresco patio dining and a beautiful outdoor bar. It's the perfect setting for sipping margaritas and savoring the bold flavors of Mexico while enjoying views of the Mandalay Bay Beach, which we'll see later. Actually, I guess now's as good a time as any to show you Mandalay Bay Beach. The Michelob Ultra Arena is a modern 12,000-seat, that's pretty big, sports and entertainment complex that has hosted everything from massive headliners like Katy Perry to monster fights like the UFC to huge TV specials like the Latin Grammy Awards. Big arena. Strip Steak Las Vegas is a modern American steakhouse combined with an inventive and highly curated menu offering guests the best seafood and signature cuts of premium beef, as well as classic favorites. Libertine Social challenges diners to free their minds from preconceived notions about Las Vegas restaurants and get ready to eat, drink, and liberate at Mandalay Bay's latest hotspot. And here we have Kumi, a modern Japanese cuisine restaurant with a Korean-American twist. One of the many reasons I like Mandalay Bay so much is its variety of restaurants, as well as that gorgeous pool and those rooms, which I'll show you later. Retro by Voltaggio is a pop-up restaurant here at Mandalay Bay. It's not going to be here permanently, but it's inspired by the best of the 80s, 90s, and now. It's described as the bomb diggity of dining experiences unlike any other in Las Vegas. Taste the rad with a remix of American favorite dishes with an electrifying throwback spirit. I don't know what any of that means, but the place looks fantastic. In the mood for comfort food? Well, you're in luck. Citizens Kitchen and Bar is located in the heart of Mandalay Bay. Lupo is a Wolfgang Puck restaurant, but it closed since I recorded this video not too long ago. This is S-Bar. The website says S-Bar features innovative libations paired with a tempting array of decadent shareable bites. Two things I can pretty much count on when I come to Mandalay Bay is a free cocktail here at Rhythm and Riffs, as well as a free ticket to that Shark Reef Aquarium. This time I also got a comped room. Oi, 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 more restaurants! Here we have Noodle Shop and Sea Breeze Cafe. Here we have a shop called Market. It's kind of like an essentials kind of shop, and it's right by the elevator banks to the rooms. Let's go upstairs. I'll show you what one looks like. There's a full video available here on the New York channel of this Mandalay Bay room and its bathroom if you want to check it out. This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Here we are at the reception area of the Mandalay Bay, and off in the corner there is the entrance to the Four Seasons Hotel, which is part of this whole complex. We'll take a quick walk through there, but again, a more detailed video is available here on the New York channel of the Four Seasons. There's just way too much things to cover on this property in one video. The Four Seasons has its own pool here at the complex, which is exclusive to people staying at the Four Seasons, and that's covered in that pool video of mine. Just go to the search box on the New York channel, type in Mandalay Bay, and all these videos' thumbnails will pop up for you to investigate. Here we are back at the Mandalay Bay Tower. The Mandalay Bay property basically has three towers: Mandalay Bay, Delano, or Delano, however you want to say it. They're both owned by MGM Properties, and then the Four Seasons is jointly owned by Four Seasons Holdings as well as MGM. Downstairs here is the gym, the spa, as well as the entrance to that beautiful pool which I showed you earlier. There are many pools here at the complex, and I'll take a walk outside and show you what the entrance looks like. This is Hazel Coffee and Cocktails, a very unique hybrid here in Las Vegas where you can start the morning off with a nice cup of Java and end the evening with a nice cocktail. And it's conveniently located right off the casino floor. But then who am I to judge? You're in Las Vegas. Go ahead and start the morning off with a stiff cocktail. Listen, if you're enjoying this video, please subscribe to the New York channel. It doesn't cost a thing, and it really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, give the video a thumbs up. I appreciate it, guys. It's no secret, I've said it before, I love the House of Blues, I love the food, I love the store, I love the live entertainment. Anytime I'm in a city that has a House of Blues, I try to visit it. This is the Casino Bar. The shops at Mandalay Bay Place, a small mall with some shops and restaurants, and at the other end, the Luxor Hotel and Casino. There's a convenient pedestrian walkway from Mandalay Bay to Allegiant Stadium, home of the Las Vegas Raiders. Just a word of caution, when there's an event going on at that stadium, parking at Mandalay Bay skyrockets. This corridor leads to the Delano or Delano Tower. Again, I'm not sure how to say it. I've heard it both ways. If you know for sure, leave a comment below, and if you know how to express that in a comment. On the left-hand side here, we have the rather large sportsbook here at the Mandalay Bay. By the way, here's another tip from Jeff from New York. If your flight is several hours away and you've got nothing to do for a few hours, the sportsbook in these hotels and casinos, very comfortable chairs, some decent entertainment, and some great Wi-Fi. It's a great place to kill some time, maybe have a couple drinks, a bite or something. There's always something to do here in sportsbooks. And oh yeah, you can bet on a game, and that makes your time here even that much more entertaining. The Cirque du Soleil show, Michael Jackson's One, is here at the Mandalay Bay. Let's head into the Delano, shall we? Hey guys, if you want to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button underneath the video. I do appreciate your support. Thanks so much. This is Della's Kitchen, described as historic farmhouse meets urban kitchen. And here we are in the Delano lobby area. I have a feeling this gentleman's about to learn the pool is 3 miles away. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.